Very good afternoon, dear students. As we today we are going to perform a turning experiment, a plane turning operation on this particular CNC lathe machine. Okay. So if we talk about a turning operations, is that basically turning operation is that a machining procedure or operations which we can perform in CNC lathe machines, where we are trying to remove the material from the outer surfaces of a cylindrical job. It means that we can understand from this particular that in turning operations basically we are going to reduce the size in diameter, means that we are going to reduce the diameter of that particular job. Suppose this is a job, and first we need to check with a measuring instrument or a vernier you can use, so that first suppose if you check the diameter of this particular job, is suppose if you are going to check the diameter of this particular job, suppose is that around 30 mm. Okay, so 30 mm is the diameter of the job, and in turning operations, if suppose you want, as per your design, as per your requirement, you want the size around 25 mm. Okay, so with the help of a turning process, with the help of turning procedure, we can reduce the diameter of such a cylindrical job in this particular CNC lathe machines. Okay, so for that particular process, again the similar pattern or similar procedure or similar steps we need to follow. First, you can see that here we have a job is fitted over here, a cylindrical job, and the tool is over, tool post is over there mounted. After that, we have to we have to put the program or the set of instructions or the code in the form of G code and M code again in this particular system, and you can see that we have different types of codes are available. So basically, while feeding these different G codes and M codes, we have to ensure that the sizes of that particular job or the component which we want to manufacture in this particular CNC lathe machines. So means that according to the size, according to the dimension of that particular job, we have to implement, we have to put our codes over this particular system. Okay, so you can see here. Now my dear students, you can see on this particular display of the CNC machine, here you can see that we have again code are fitted in the form of G code and M code. You can see here that again S1500 means that the spindle RPM is around 1500 RPM. M03 again it will rotate in a clockwise direction. The job size is X direction is 37.20, or we required a 1 mm diameter reduction in the job, means that we required 36.20 of the job size. Okay, so as per this we can feed our this particular code into a system, or we will start our turning process. Okay, now you can see here that we will again simulate first that whether we fitted a right code for this particular procedure or not. So you can see here by using a simulation tool, so you can see here that yes, it is show that it's going in a right direction. Okay, so now we will execute this particular code, and you can see is that now the spindle cycle, we will start cycle, and as per the code feeded or the RPM feeded, it will start. Now we will give feed rate. So feed rate is given, you can see here that, or after that the tool start coming from its position towards to job. Now you can see that it will start removing material from the surface of the job. You can see that. Now you can see that how the turning process is happening. If we are willing to on the coolant also, if we wish. So you can see that at the top of the process, this is a coolant pipe from where we can on or off the coolant. Now you can see that the turning process is happening over here. Okay, now after the turning process you can see that our finished job up to a required length or up to a required size, you can see is that this is a finished job we can see, and how we can perform the turning operations on this particular CNC lathe machines. Okay, thank you.